Hello, it's Tuesday the 24th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. Now, Alan Taylor has been on, a rare outing from the MPC's most consistent dove. He's consistently voted to cut rates for the past 18 months. He thinks output and unemployment have a pessimistic outlook, while services CPI is not falling as fast as they'd hoped. He still thinks that will normalise later this year, though. For what it's worth, he still thinks we've got 2 or 3 more rate cuts to go before we get to the neutral rate. He thinks US tariffs are here to stay, with a full impact playing out over the years to come, and he thinks that China is already rerouting exports to East Asia and to the EU, potentially deflationary for the UK. Research into the UK labour market has revealed that advertised roles dipped below 700,000 for the first time since January 2021. The ONS puts the unemployment rate at a 4-year high of 5.2%, and youth unemployment is over 16%. So it looks like the Chancellor's hike to the minimum wage has done exactly what the critics warned her about. Thanks a lot, Rachel. Over in the US, data from the New York Fed had inflation back to 2.8% in December. That was up from 2.4%, as services and goods are pushing up price pressure. Laurie Logan has been on. The Dallas Fed president was sceptical of last year's rate cuts, given the persistence of inflation over target. But perhaps Trump has got in her ear now, because she is cautiously optimistic that they're on a path towards the 2% target now. Meanwhile, Waller has been on. The Fed governor thinks that a solid print from January's payrolls data next week may see the Fed skip the March rate cuts altogether. So one to watch next week. In the market, the dollar index sold off a bit before rallying to close around 97.75, and we kick off this morning fairly flat against the dollar, around 134.90, a little higher against the euro, around 114.50, and the euro dollar is around 117.75 on the open this morning. That's it from me. Have a great day.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.